Hi guys, it's me Sir Michael and welcome back to my channel. At kung bago lang kayo sa channel na to, huwag niyong kalimutang i-like ang mga videos at i-subscribe ang aking channel at i-share niyo na rin ang mga videos para mas maraming mga batang katulad mo ang matulungan pa ng ganitong klase ng mga video. Now, sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin is how to solve system of linear equations in two variables. Actually, there are many methods that can be used in solving this system. Kaya lang nag-come up ako sa isang formula na sa tingin ko ay mas madali naman na gamitin. Ano po? So hindi ko po alam kung may nakakuha na nitong formula na to, but in my case, ito yung nahanap ko na formula. So let us proceed with the system of or the solving of system of linear equation using this formula. Now, in this case, meron tayong pwedeng gamitin na formula para ma-solve ng mas madali yung system of linear equation uh, without any variable. Ano po? So wala na kayong makikita mga letters kapag ginamit niyo yung formula na to. Lahat na makikita niyo dito is mga numbers lang. So hindi na kayo mahihirapan kasi pure number lang yung makikita ninyo. Now, in order sa system of linear equation, meron tayong solution na hinahanap, and that is denoted by x and y or the ordinate and abscissa. So, meron tayong pair doon. Sa solution po natin, ang ating nasosolve is yung x, y. So, pwede rin naman po na iba't ibang variable yung ginamit, but in this video, ang gagamitin natin is x and y. Ano po? So, para makuha natin yung coordinate ng x, we can use this formula. Ano po? So, the formula in determining the value of x is b sub 1 times c sub 2 minus b sub 2 times c sub 1 all over a sub 2 times b sub 1 minus a sub 1 times b sub 2. Then for the value of y naman, we can use a sub 1 times c sub 2 minus a sub 2 times c sub 1 all over a sub 1 times b sub 2 minus a sub 2 times b sub 1. So these are the formulas that can be used in determining the solution of a system of linear equation. Again, this is applicable to all the system of linear equation. Ano po? So let us proceed with the first example. So let us try to solve the solution of the system of linear equation x minus 2y is equal to 1 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 17. Now, paano natin gagamitin yung formula? So in order for us to use the formula, syempre kailangan nating ma-identify ano-ano yung mga values, yung a sub 1, a sub 2, b sub 1, b sub 2. Now, in this case, pwede naman natin siyang ilagyan ng label. So this one is a sub 1. Kung walang nakalagay, automatic 1 iyan. And then we have B sub 1 and then C sub 1. So sa baba naman, ito yung mga A sub 2, B sub 2, and C sub 2. So pwede na nating i-substitute yung ating given. So by substitution, yung B sub 1 natin will be negative 2. Ang ating C sub 2 is 17 minus B sub 2 is 5 times C sub 1, which is 1, all over A sub 2 is 4 times B sub 1 is negative 2 minus A sub 1 is 1 and B sub 2 is 5. So kung mapapansin nyo, wala na kayong makikita dyan na mga variable. Lahat yan puro number. So mas madali nyo na siyang masasolve. Now, solving this or simplifying the equation, we will have negative 34 minus 5 all over negative 8 minus 5. And it will result into negative 39 over negative 13. And if we simplify, the answer is positive 3. So, meron na tayong isang value ng ating solution which is 3. Yung isa na lang yung nawawala. So, using the second formula para makuha natin yung isang value, substitute lang ulit natin. A sub 1 is 1. And then we have C sub 2 which is 17 minus A sub 2 which is 4 times C sub 1, which is 1, all over A sub 1 is 1 times B sub 2, which is 5, minus A sub 2, which is 4, times B sub 1, which is negative 2. Now, continuing the solution, we will have 17 minus 4 all over 5 minus or plus 8. Kasi negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8, kaya naging plus 8. Now, we will come up with, for 17 minus 4 is 13 over 13, which is equal to 1. So, that means the solution of the system is 3, 1. Now, to check if that is correct, isa-substitute natin siya doon sa ating mga system. So, using the system x minus, or the equation x minus 2y is equal to 1, substitution, x is 3, minus 2 times the value of y is 1, is equal to 1. So, simplifying, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, equals 1, and that is correct. So, tama yung una nating, tama siya sa unang equation. Then, let us try doon sa pangalawang equation, which is 4x plus 5y equals 17. So, substitution, 4 times yung ating nakuhang value, which is 3, plus 5 times yung nakuha nating value, 1. So, that is equal to 17, and 4 times 3 is 12, plus 5 times 1 is 5, is equal to 17, and then 17 is also equal to 17. So, that means our solution is correct. So, that is that. Simple. Simple as that. Napakadali, di ba? Hindi kayo mahihirapan maghanap ng solution using this formula. Now, if you want to try out, kung gusto nyong malaman kung totoo or kung tama yung inyong mga naging solution, you can use this para ma-check nyo. Halimbawa, gumamit kayo ng elimination method and hindi kayo sure kung tama yung naging sagot nyo, you can use this to verify your answer. So, let us try to have the next example. Okay, so para matry nyo kung gaano kadaling gamitin itong formula, I will give you this equation or this system of linear equation para isolve at malaman nyo kung paano siya gawin. So please pause the video if you want to try and play it after nyong masagutan para makita nyo kung tama ba yung inyong naging sagot. Okay, so solving this system of linear equation, ang una natin gagawin, syempre, ay i-label natin yung mga kailangan nating values. So, in this case, this will be a sub 1. Kapag walang nakalagay, automatic may 1 po siya. And this is b sub 1. Walang nakalagay na number, so automatic 1. And this is c sub 1. Then, yung mga nasa baba, a sub 2, b sub 2, and c sub 2. After that, proceed na kayo sa substitution. So, ganun lang kasimple yung process na to. By substitution, identifying the variables, b sub 1 is positive 1, c sub 2 is negative 2, minus b sub 2 is negative 3, and our c sub 1 is 4. All over, a sub 2 is 2, times b sub 1, which is 1, minus a sub 1, which is 1, and b sub 2, which is negative 3. Then proceed with the simplifying the given. We have 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative times negative 3 is positive. So that would be positive 12. All over 2 plus 3. Kasi negative times negative is positive. So that will be positive 3. Then again, simplifying, we will have negative 2 plus 12 is positive 10 divided by 5, which is 5. Now, our first value of the solution is 2. Now, the other value can be obtained using the formula. Substitution, a sub 1 is 1. And then we have c sub 2, which is negative 2, minus a sub 2, which is 2, and c sub 1, which is 4, divided by a sub 1, which is 1, times b sub 2, which is negative 3, minus a sub 2, which is 2, and b sub 1, which is 1. Now, proceeding with the solution, we will have 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And we will come up with 1 times negative 3, negative 3. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So, simplifying, we have negative 10 over negative 5. And pag sinolve natin siya, the answer is 2. So, that means our solution in the system is 2, 2. Now, to check kung tama yung ating given, substitute lang natin siya dun sa dalawang equation. And that would be x plus y is equal to 4. So, simply, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 is equal to 4. That is correct. Then, to the second equation, we have 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 2. By substitution, we have 2 times the value of x is 2 minus 3 times the value of y is also 2, and then it is equal to negative 2. So, solving or simplifying, we have 2 times 2 is 4, and then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. That would be negative 2, and 4 minus 6 is negative 2, which is also equal to negative 2, and our solution is correct. Now, that is how you solve system of linear equation using these formulas. Ang dali, di ba? Thank you.